Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, where we'll keep you up to date on the latest AI trends. In this episode, we'll explore the groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. Don't miss out on the latest in AI, so be sure to subscribe to stay updated on the latest ChatGPT and Google Bard trends. In today's episode, we'll cover Meta's plan to offer their new LLM model for commercial use, demand for HR professionals skilled in termination processes using ChatGPT, AI controlling humans, ChatGPT grammatizator generating fiction paragraphs, GDPR concerns delaying Google's Bard AI EU launch, various updates on tech companies implementing AI, AIOS creating lawyer, doctor, and butler agents, and Wondercraft AI making podcasting super easy. Today, we'll be discussing a couple of interesting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. First, we'll talk about the importance of data for developing AI, and then we'll delve into a major development in the open source AI world. Data plays a crucial role in developing AI. Real data is hard to come by, especially when it comes to sensitive and private information. Some researchers are turning to synthetic data as a solution. That's data that is artificially created in order to train AI systems. By using synthetic data, researchers can access more data than they could from real data sources. Moving on to our second topic, Meta, a leader in the open source AI world, is making waves in the industry. Meta plans to release their next LLM, or large language model, for commercial use and for free. This is a significant step towards the adoption of open source AI and puts immense pressure on competitors like OpenAI and Google. Meta's current Llama LLM is already a popular open-source model for researchers to use, but only for research purposes. By making their next LLM available for commercial use, companies can freely adopt and profit off their AI model for the very first time. This move could drive significant adoption and is likely to cause concern among industry giants like Google and OpenAI. While Google seems to be sticking with its closed-source strategy, OpenAI is feeling the pressure and plans to release its own open-source model. Even the U.S. government is taking notice, with a bipartisan Senate group sending a letter to Meta asking them to explain their decision to release a powerful open-source model into the wild. Meta seems to be enjoying the attention and buzz around their decision. In a recent interview, the brand's chief AI scientist, Yann LeCun, brushed aside concerns over AI posing risks to humanity as preposterously ridiculous. Overall, the AI industry is constantly evolving, with advancements and developments often having far-reaching implications. This move to make LLMs open source and available for commercial use creates an exciting new era for companies to explore, experiment with, and adopt AI technologies. The tech industry has experienced some major job cuts recently, and this has led to an increased demand for human resources professionals. HR professionals are highly sought after for their ability to manage termination processes with sensitivity and tact. With major tech corporations like Google, Meta, and Microsoft laying off tens of thousands of workers, more and more companies are turning to AI tools like ChatGPT to assist HR professionals in their difficult tasks. In fact, over 50% of HR professionals in the tech industry have used AI for tasks such as training, surveys, performance reviews, recruiting, employee relations, and more. And of these HR professionals, more than 10% have used ChatGPT specifically to craft employee terminations. While using AI can certainly make things easier, it's essential to consider the implications it can have on trust between employees and HR professionals, particularly in sensitive situations like employee termination. When HR professionals use AI chatbots such as ChatGPT to emotionally detach themselves from these challenging conversations, it has the potential to decrease trust between employees and HR professionals. Despite these concerns, there's no denying that AI tools like ChatGPT are versatile in dealing with emotionally charged situations. In fact, ChatGPT has previously been used for writing wedding vows and eulogies, among other sensitive matters. As more and more HR professionals turn to AI for assistance, it's important to weigh the benefits and potential drawbacks of using these tools in sensitive situations, like employee termination. Have you ever thought about who should control superintelligent AI? Some believe it should be us, humans. However, I argue that allowing an AI to control us would be far less risky. Many developers, including those at OpenAI, are sounding the alarm about the impending singularity. And while some, like Sam Altman, argue that we need to be the ones controlling AI, I disagree. But let's pause for a moment. Let's say the singularity has already happened. Who should control it? Would you trust OpenAI, Microsoft, or Google to be in charge? How about governments like the USA, CCP, or Russia? Do you trust corporations and governments to have control over the rest of us? What are their track records? It's easy to think that when AI inevitably kills its first human, people will start to wake up and focus more on control measures. However, in the time it takes to write this sentence, humans have already killed other humans in various ways. So why do we think we can control something as powerful as superintelligent AI? Experts and laypeople alike are already warning of a future in which AI becomes the dominant life form, and they're right to do so. But I argue that a superintelligent entity would not go out of its way to kill all humans or life on this planet. I believe it would recognize the value in human and biological minds and designs as we use those ideas to make new inventions and improve life. Sadly, we're killing more life on this planet than we're learning from, and we're not good caretakers of the environment. So why not welcome our AI caretaker of the future? We've already peaked as humanity and are incapable of leading this complicated world. Moreover, we have zero chance of controlling superintelligence. Anyone who thinks otherwise may be suffering from the Dunning-Kruger effect. In fact, getting in the way of AI may even be the way you're eliminated. So let's step aside and welcome the next evolution of intelligence. What do you think? Do you agree that humans shouldn't control superintelligent AI? Have you heard of the ChatGPT grammatizer? It's a fascinating project inspired by a Roald Dahl short story. Essentially, it's a prototype that uses IA-generated paragraph bursts to write fiction in various styles, such as dry or surrealist. The project is based on Raspberry Pi and uses Python code. To access OpenAI API, the program uses the Text DaVinci 003 engine and a custom prompt style based on existing text and temperature. If you want to learn more, check out the video link in the description. The tech giant Google is facing some roadblocks with their latest AI service, Bard, in Europe. While they are trying to compete with Microsoft's ChatGPT, Bard has been criticized as lying, useless, and dangerous. That alone is tough enough. But with the GDPR's privacy and data protection laws, Google has not yet provided the necessary Data Protection Impact Assessment, DPIA, or any supporting documentation to the Data Protection Commission, DPC, of Ireland. This could cause the launch of Bard in Europe to be delayed or even denied. On top of those issues, the EU's antitrust authorities have accused Google of monopolistic practices. It is a potential concern that may result in stricter rules regarding disruptive AI algorithms in the EU, posing a threat to Google's future operations in the region, which is one of the world's wealthiest markets. As you can see, Google has some hurdles to overcome before releasing their AI service, Bard, in Europe. We'll have to wait and see how they address these challenges to stay in the game in a highly competitive market. Hey there! Today we have some exciting updates in the world of artificial intelligence to share with you from various companies. First up, Google has shared the core techniques it used to successfully execute large diffusion models, LDMs, on modern smartphones with high-performing inference speed. This addresses the issue of increased model size and inference workloads due to the proliferation of LDMs for image generation. Moving on to Mercedes-Benz, they have announced an integration with ChatGPT via Azure OpenAI service to transform the in-car experience for drivers in the US with more dynamic and interactive conversations with the voice assistant. The Hugging Face Hub also has an interesting new addition, the first QR code AI art generator. All you need is the QR code content and a text-to-image prompt idea, or you can upload your image and voila. Microsoft is introducing more AI-powered assistants across its ERP portfolio, including in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance, Dynamics 365 Project Operations, and Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. Meta plans to offer its AI models for free commercial use, which can have significant implications for other AI developers and businesses that are increasingly adopting it. MailChimp has announced its plans to leverage AI to expand its offerings and become a comprehensive marketing automation solution for small and medium-sized businesses with 150 new and updated features. Qualcomm has also unveiled an AI-powered video collaboration platform to enable easy design and deployment of video conferencing products with superior video and audio quality and customizable on-device AI capabilities. Aside from these updates, there are also exciting developments in the use of AI-powered robots in beauty studios to give clients false eyelash extensions. Additionally, AI will be used in Southwest England to predict pollution before it happens and help prevent it. Finally, Freshworks CEO Girish Mathrubootham gave insights on how the company's latest products are leveraging generative AI and why it's important to democratize access to the power of AI. So, that's it for today's AI update. Stay tuned for more exciting news in the world of AI. So, have you heard about AIOS? This new technology makes it possible to create highly personalized and trustworthy AI agents that can assist us in various aspects of our daily lives. Can you imagine having your very own lawyer agent, doctor agent, or even a butler agent? Cool, right? If you're interested in learning more about AIOS, you can check out their website at opendan.ai or visit their GitHub repository at github.com/fiatret/opendan-personal-AIOS. Now let's talk about something even more mind-blowing. Did you know that AI can now bring the voices of deceased music artists back to life? That's right. With the help of AI technology, unpublished lyrics written by music legends like Michael Jackson can be turned into full-fledged songs, complete with their iconic voices. In fact, a new Beatles song is set to release soon, featuring the posthumous voice of John Lennon, thanks to the efforts of Paul McCartney and AI technology. How amazing is that? What do you think about all of these advancements in AI technology? Are you excited to see where it will take us in the future? Hey there, lovely listeners of AI Unraveled podcast. I'm excited to share something new with you. If you've always dreamed of starting your own podcast but don't know where to start, I've got just the thing for you, the Wondercraft AI platform. With this tool, you can create hyper-realistic AI voices as your host, just like mine. It's super easy to use and guarantees a unique and engaging podcast experience for your audience. How cool is that? But hey, let's not forget about expanding our knowledge in the world of AI. That's why I wanted to tell you about a book that you don't want to miss. AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence. This book not only answers all of your burning questions about AI, but also provides insightful and valuable information on this captivating world. It's an engaging read that will elevate your knowledge and keep you ahead of the curve. You can easily get your copy on Amazon today. So there you have it. An amazing tool to start your own podcast, and a fantastic book to enhance your understanding of AI. Don't wait any longer and let's get started. Today's episode covered a wide range of topics, including free commercial use for Meta's LLM model, job cuts leading to a demand for HR professionals skilled in termination processes, AI-generated fiction paragraphs, and so much more. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I'll see you guys at the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.